Yeah, welcome back. In this session, let's clearly talk about how to do the Power BI desktop installation for the first time on a Windows machine. Power BI desktop is completely a free version which you do not require any license to develop the Power BI dashboards in our local machines. So you can directly download from a Microsoft website. It is a Microsoft product. So let's quickly go to the Google and let's search for the Power BI desktop free download. So maybe the first link you get it, you get the Microsoft link itself. Let's click on it. So once you click on it, mostly you will be getting this page. Okay. So there you can select the language. So based on your language preference, you select it and click on download. So once you click on it, so it takes a while, and again it asks for either 32-bit or 64-bit version. So my system, my laptop is 16 GB of RAM, so I'm going with a 64-bit. So there is no worries even you are going with 32-bit or 64-bit. So based on your OS operating system 32-bit or 64-bit, select that and click on download. So I selected here 64-bit, it is 428 MB. It takes a while. Okay, so let's select the one which you need it and click on download. It downloads. So it is downloaded for me. Okay, it is ready here. So once it is downloaded, let's double click on it. It is a very easy and straight away download and installation. So let's double click on the Power BI desktop. Okay, I just clicked on it. It asks for the select language. So probably you know we will be selecting English. I selected English. Let's click on next. It asks for our confirmation. Yes, of course. Yeah, once I selected yes, it takes a while to open back again. Yeah, it is ready now. Let's click on next. So this is a kind of the license terms and conditions. Compulsory, you need to accept this, otherwise you cannot go ahead. So let's select the accept checkbox. Let's check the accept checkbox and click on next. So once you click on next, then it asks where do you want to save these files, the supporting files. So it doesn't require much space. Yeah, so better you select a place where you have a space. You can do it in D drive or whatever the drive you want. So I am okay for the default drive. Okay, I have a space. Let's click on next. So once I click on next, again it asks for the ready to installation Microsoft Power BI Desktop x64, and to begin installation you need to click on install. Okay, so you want to create a desktop shortcut. It's up to you, you want it or not. I do not want. So let's click on install. So once I click on install, it takes a while to do the installation. It's a very basic installation only. Okay, very easy. So let it run. Like it's configuring the stuff. If you see here, you can see the status, copying new files and all. Okay, so I just downloaded today only. Okay, in the year of 2023 August. So means I am getting the latest version of Power BI desktop, because for each and every month, for each and every alternate month, Microsoft is releasing the Power BI versions. So nothing to worry. So if you are seeing the same video in after a couple of months, then you will be getting the latest version from Microsoft website. It's a free for us. So if you see here, it is publishing product information. Okay, so it means that maybe I might be getting this August version or July version based on the Microsoft release. It is taking a while. Let it run. Yeah, please bear with me. Yeah, it is done now. So you will be getting a finish option like this on launch Power BI Microsoft Power BI desktop. Okay, so you can even unselect this or select it. Nothing will happen. There is no change. Let's click on finish. So you will get a window like Power BI. Since I selected that default Microsoft Power BI something, it gets that. Okay, it takes a while for the first time when it opens actually. Okay, so now whenever you open for the first time in Power BI desktop, you see like this. Okay, In the left side, you will be seeing Power BI Desktop and Get Data. And if you're already working in your same machine, you will be getting recent sources. This is the first time for me. That is the reason nothing is coming. And here, collaborate and share. It's asking for the, you want to buy Power BI license. You can do using here. In the right side, you have a what's new, okay, and Power BI blog and forums, okay. So you don't need to click on anything here. Let's click on close option here. So once you close on it, so you will be getting this window. This is a place where we really develop the Power BI dashboards, Power BI tabular reports, or whatever the report you want, you will be developing here. So it's having separate sections here. So report view, table view, and a model view. So we'll be talking separately, individually, okay. So in the next session. So that's it. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.